Okay guys, so today papalitan natin tong rear driver side tail light kasi may basag siya, pumasok yung tubig and pondido na. So in order ko to sa eBay, yung whole assembly, and papatulong ko sa anak ko para ako makapag video. Basically tatlong lang naman yung tornilyo, tapos clips na dito. Okay. Size 10. Don't lose it. You gotta use that. It doesn't come with any nuts. Okay. Of course needs to go. So we're prying it. Okay, yeah, easy. Hold on. Now we disconnect. I think we need to take the whole thing out. Just push it in. Push it in. Use your hands. Use your hand.
The hand didn't work last time.
Or this.
Come on. This one works.
AJ, it needs to be pushed in. Pushed in.
What do you push
I just
in?
said, look. See?
Oh.
It's easy. I told you. Did you disconnect that? Oh, okay. There you go. Easy. See, you replace your own tail light.
Wrapping up.
Yeah. Careful. No cracks. Okay, it's brand new. Yeah, we need to insert that first. Hey,
What?
turn. It should be like this. Okay.
Hold on, man. Just pull it through.
Use your other hand. Yeah, see?
Yeah,
It will create a seal. Okay.
Wait, let me connect this. It's already connected.
Okay. That's it. Do that later.
Huh?
Install
Okay.
this. So this needs to slide going that way. This, you see that?
Oh,
You see
okay. Okay.
this?
No, lining it up.
Align everything.
Why is it bending?
Yeah, it's fine.
Is that lined up?
Don't force it. Hold on. Okay.
Are you sure?
Okay.
Wait, look at that.
Just putting the 2 bolts. Hold it. Are you holding it? Hand tighten it. This guy.
Oh.
I just told you not to lose it.
Wait. Why?
Just snug. Because it's plastic. If it's too tight, you're gonna break it. Alright, plug it. Yan. That's how you do it. Up. No. Here you go. Is it tight? Okay, now you start the car. You have the key? Hey, here's the key. Let's see. Let me check.
Normal voltage. Waiting for connection.
Wait, hold on. Why did the engine turn on?
Yep, you have light. Let me see. Yep. Right turn. Right signal. Left signal. All right. So with my son's help, just a quick replacement of the old rear tail light. Crack here. There's another crack here. So there's no saving this. Just throw this in water. Alright.
Wow.
Masaya. Masaya na yung anak ko. Makakalakwatsa ka na.
Lakwacha.
Lakwatsa. Hey, make sure that we did everything. Ayos guys, masaya na naman yung anak ko. Makakalakwatsa na siya. Yung binata ko, makakapambabae na uli. Nung nakaraan, lungkot na mo siya, di siya makalabas eh. Oh, siya pinagawa ko. Sabi ko, hindi pwedeng every time mag-hire ka ng mag-aayos ng kotse mo, dapat matuto ka. Lalo yung mga ganitong simple lang. No, sabi ko, pag pinagawa mo to, siguro 500 sisingilin sa'yo o mas mataas pa. Okay? So, simple lang. Bili ka lang sa eBay. Yan, parehas naman siya eh. No? That's it guys. Dali lang magpalit.